welcome to our channel. I am Miss Diana, and today we're gonna go for rhythm exploration using drum as our musical instrument. So a drum is actually called a percussion. Oh, who can spell drum? Close your eyes, don't look at that word. Okay, it's D-R-U-M, drum. Let's try again. D-R-U-M, drum. Very good. So if you can spell drum, I think you can definitely make some rhythm, right? Who can show me your hands? Where's your hands? Hands. Okay, we are gonna clap with our hands. Can you clap 4 times? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So you can count 4. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So counting 4 times is a type of rhythm, right? Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 2 times we will play and rest 2 times. Can you do it? Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that is a rhythm. And how about we clap 1 time and rest 3 times. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So if you are so good, I think it's time to introduce you to our homemade drum. So are you ready? Let's prepare ourselves for the special drum. See, this is my drum. I have one big drum and one small drum. And this is actually a container. Maybe your mommy have it. You can ask from mommy first. Okay, so first, this is your drum. One big container and small container. Say big, small, big, small. Very good. And let's prepare this called chopstick. This is called chopstick. Yeah, what do you use the chopstick for? You eat your food, right? Okay, so this is a chopstick, and you can use the chopstick and you can play on them. So when you try playing on the big drum, our big drum, ooh, what's this sound like again? And the small one. See, it sounds different. So a big drum and a small drum sound different. Yeah, let's try again. Big, small. Yeah. Okay, now if you don't want to use your stick, you can use your hands. Okay, I will try using my hands. So let's tap 1 and rest 3. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now let's tap 3 times. Let's tap 3 times and rest 1 time. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So you can tap and you can make rhythm. Let's tap on the big and small drum. First, you will tap like this. And let's sing together with me. We will rock you. We will rock you. Very good. See, you can play it. Okay, let's try one more time. We will rock you. We will rock you. Yeah, so this is one type of rhythm you can play. So can you play? I hope you can do it. So I hope you have a great time playing with different type of rhythm. Yeah, you can play with your own special rhythm, or you can try with the rhythm I just taught you. And I hope you have a great time with your drums. All right, bye bye.